Hello everyone. Today I will show you an easy guide on how to transfer TikTok Shop balance to Gcash in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's dive in. First of all, open the TikTok Seller Center and log into your account. Then navigate to the Finance section to view your available balance. Now it's time to link your Gcash account. In the Payment Methods section, choose to add a new payment method. Select Gcash as your preferred withdrawal option. Enter your Gcash registered mobile number. TikTok will send a 4-digit verification code to your Gcash number. Enter the code to verify and link your account. After that, return to the Finance section. Next, click on Withdraw or Transfer. Enter the amount you want to move to your Gcash account. Confirm the transaction details and proceed. Finally, await a confirmation. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification that the funds have been successfully transferred to your Gcash account.